Welcome to our ProVP fading tutorial. In this video we are talking about what is fade in, fade out, fade in and out, and how can I fade in and out on ProVP. Basically we can fade the audio and the opacity, also named the alpha, on ProVP. Fading is the change over time from 0 to 100 from a video file. Let's see this in the next video example. The same thing applies for fading out, which is turning off the audio from 100% to 0% or the opacity from 100% to 0%. The combination of both is fading in and out. You can watch that in the following example. Finally, let's check out how can I fade in and out on ProVP. All respective files you can find in the video link in the description. The creative media arrangement, in short CMA files, can be edited in the notepad++. In the CMA file you are able to simply change the video source by using a copy-paste of the original video file and pasting it into the CMA file, and repeat this process for CMA video 1 and CMA video 2. Via the search function you can find specific numbers in your CMA file. In this example we want to shorten the animation time of the fade in and out of the video file. Therefore, we find and replace 3 seconds with 2 seconds for the animation time. Once we finished it and the review is done, we save the file once again. In the next step we are reviewing the original video files to see the difference on the fading video on our ProVP later on. On the web interface we are quickly logging in with using admin and password for password to log in onto our ProVP video player. In the drop-down menu system we are selecting media files to upload the media files onto our ProVP. We copy video 1 CMA for our usage in the startup script. After adding we are pasting the video 1 CMA. And we repeat the process also for the video 2 CMA. Finally, we also want it to play for our video player upon startup. We review our startup script and then we switch to the login console for the restart process. Once the restart is complete, it starts to play. In case you require project support, download the diagnostic file and send to support@weighlcontrol.com. Thanks for watching.